Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Muhammad. You're watching Muhammad Madhu channel, and today I'm going to tell you a basic thing about eTabs. Most of you think that to learn eTabs, you're gonna go to YouTube and search for in Google. There is no need to search in any way, guys. And the basic things of the guidance itself, like seismic loads and wind loads and other loads, guys. Where the guidance you need, you're gonna get only in eTabs itself. How I'm gonna show you now. Let's click on eTabs, guys. Okay, just wait for a while and it's gonna appear like this, guys. And just see here itself, guys. Start page eTabs version 18. Here you can see latest news. There is no need of latest news for us. And go to resource, guys. This is pretty much important. And when coming to products, the release, let's see afterwards. And resource teach strips, they haven't included anything. And go to these, guys. Watch and learn. This is what I want to say, guys. Here you can click on this, guys, and it will open directly on YouTube, guys. And you can observe here an overview, watching and learn, introduction tutorials, steel, introduction tutorial, concrete, draw tools, watch and learn. Everything is there in here itself, guys. In eTabs itself, there is no need to go outside of eTabs. If you want to go, just click on go to YouTube. If you want to go to YouTube, guys, just go to directly eTabs CSI itself and go to playlist, guys, and open, click on here eTabs. Here you can observe the list of eTabs, guys. 21. Here also 28, like that. This is a webinar, guys. They haven't included much. And if you want to get a notes like that, go to manual and click on welcome to eTabs. There is no need to welcome to eTabs like that, but what you need to do is an introduction tutorial and click on this. And this is the thing, guys. Beginning a new model, define an auto select section, add frame objects, like that. Everything is there in the everything is there, guys, in eTabs itself. There's no need to search for anything else. Just go through this and you can go lateral load manual, means seismic load, guys. If you are okay, you can observe here, guys, introduction manual, like that, automatic seismic loads. Okay, let's go down and you can observe here UBC, means Universal British Council, I think so. Wait, here you can observe uniform building code, like that, and seismic loads. And mostly this belongs to UK, guys, and America also, and NBC, CC, IBC, like that. ASC, this is American code, guys. Seismic loads. Okay, 9, 12. These are the code books, guys. That year they publish. And go down. This is Chinese, 2010. Only one Chinese. NZ, S means New Zealand, AS means Australia, Euro code, Indian code, guys. This is Indian code. I'm Indian, so I'm gonna show you uh, where I have used my project. Some formulas, guys. 86. Go to 86. Before that, this is IS 8077 875 wind loads, guys. ASC. This is American automatic wind loads. Okay. Okay, let's go to 86. Yeah, you are near. 86. Yes, 86. Yeah, guys, 87. This is okay. You can observe here, guys. 2002. Normally you can say IS 1893 2002 part 1. This is part 1, guys. And you can observe here, calculate approximate time period, guys, TA, where I had calculated in my project itself, guys. TA is equal to 0.075 for concrete or RC frames, and you can observe TA is equal to 0.85 H power 0.75 for steel framed buildings, guys, and H is for story height. And just go down, this is a program calculator. Okay, user defined T is equal to 0.09 H by, in case input a building like that, many out there, guys, other output input factors and coefficients to calculate the band, means the lateral load against concrete building or steel building like that. Major factor is jet. Just go down, guys. This is the main thing, guys, where we can learn. VB is nothing but base shear, guys. Yeah, here you can see base shear. I'm taking too long. Okay, I'm gonna get earlier. This formula is for response spectral method. Okay, yeah, spectral value. Response spectral method, guys. AH and SA by G, and response detection factor or important factor is maximum one only, guys. W is equal to seismic weight, whole building weight, and Q1. Q1 is nothing but I'm going to tell you afterwards, guys, clearly, and with a in a paper. I'm going to show you Q1, QI, guys, not Q1. I is nothing but story level. The level, okay. VB is nothing but base shear, and you can observe here, guys. Just look at here and just note it down. And other things are Italian. Okay, let's go to, and what were the software verification. Okay, these things no need, guys. Mostly what we need is, these are also somewhat important, I think so. Just copyright is computers and structures insurance. This is from 1978 to 2019. Yeah, it will continue 2020 also. And what are the major things? Program description, objective things. This is ETABS. Okay, ETABS screen view analysis, draw, define, objective, Windows file operation, edit, view, analysis. All these are over in screen. Basic moves, drawing tools, mouse pointers. Okay, begin a model. Grid spacing, from here is starting. Actually, you are starting from here, guys. Placing grids like that. Before that, each and everything, ETABS itself explain us, guys, clearly. There's no need to go anywhere, guys, to learn. If you had a somewhat patience to learn all these things, just learn it, guys. Then the courses. Even though I'm just conducting some courses, it's better to know from here itself. Structure, objectives, guys, draw walls, everything, guys, everything is here itself. There's no need to go and select structural objects. Okay. Assign change properties, means assignments make what is this more different, but we're gonna look at downward. Edit the model geometry. analyze the model. Okay, design, detailing, display results, generate results. Okay, last one is export results. That's it guys. From now, I hope you enjoy this video guys. A knowledge base, you can know the basics of ETABS. Okay, there's nothing in knowledge base. It's over there. Modeling of structures, loading and design. On this page, output, intro, capability and versatility, like that many were there. And that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like and subscribe my channel Sheikh Muhammad Madhu, and I'm gonna place crash course guys and beginners course, fast track course guys mainly. Firstly I'm gonna tell you a fast track course for beginners, and then intermediate beginner course guys, basic course, and intermediate course, and then advanced with the case studies guys. That's what my view in my upcoming startup guys. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like and subscribe my channel. This is Sheikh Muhammad and signing off. Bye bye.